Jinogosa Kemgun Chimbocho, Kuyu Kundang Ganga Peparanga de Tusungang and Samdi Tashi the Lake Tamishu. Happy 85th birthday, His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama. May you live long, eons and eons. May you be a beacon of love and compassion for all sentient beings.
Namaste, Tashtale. I'm Anjana and I'm going to speak about an important personality today, His Holiness the Dalai Lama. 6 July 2020 marks the 85th birthday of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. He has always been a symbol of unification of the state of Tibet, and he has always tried to mobilize international support for the Tibetan activities. Over the years, His Holiness has influenced the world in a spiritual way. He was awarded with the Nobel Peace Prize in 1989 for the struggles of liberating Tibet and the efforts of a peaceful resolution. He has also written several speeches about happiness, contentment, justice, tolerance, and self-discipline. His speeches, his teachings has influenced the world peace and many other traits. So, in this auspicious occasion of his birthday, I would like to express my gratitude and remind 2020 as an year being another milestone marking his success towards the liberation of Tibet from the Chinese government, from the hands of Chinese government, and how you have always been a role model and an iconic personality with a sea full of wisdom. Another year of being wiser. Happy birthday.
Tashi the Lake, 6 July, birthday of our beloved His Holiness Dalai Lama Ji. The biggest symbol in present times of non-violent resistance, of peaceful struggle for the freedom of one's own homeland. Dalai Lama Ji have inspired generation after generation to fight against all sort of injustice, fight against oppression, but non-violently. Dalai Lama Ji is a hope for humanity, and such a charismatic personality who have inspired people across the boundaries and across the civilization. And Dalai Lama Ji is not only a hero of Tibet, but he is one of the most respected figure of every civilization in the contemporary times. And since a long time, Dalai Lama Ji have inspired everyone to fight for the freedom of their own motherland. Wishing you a very happy birthday, His Holiness Dalai Lama Ji.
Happy birthday to His Holiness Dalai Lama the 14th. Today I really pray to God for his long and healthy life. He's probably been one of those key figures who have guided so many generations to walk on the right path. And I really hope and I really wish that many more generations that are yet to come also have the same privilege to be guided by him. He truly is a spiritual guide for all of us. He has helped so many of us to see the light at the end of the tunnel, the light of hope, the light of happiness, the light of life. And so we're all very thankful to him for everything. And I really pray to God for his long and healthy life. Thank you so much. Tashi Dalai.
Tashtale and happy birthday to the 14th Dalai Lama. I've been blessed to be in his presence and to experience his teachings. His compassion towards the people who carry out orders causing genocide in Tibet is inspiring. He is a non-violent freedom fighter promoting world peace and peace in his own country of Tibet, which he has been a refugee for 60 years. His Holiness tells us not to just blindly believe him, but search for yourself. Go online, find a Tibetan group, join a March 10th protest, or better yet, a Momo crawl. In his presence, His Holiness, warm smile and genuine laughter are contagious. He turns 85, but he has the curiosity of a child. Long live the Holiness Dalai Lama.